Okay, so some of you guys have asked about my rig that I use for my recordings, and you want to see what I do for my Zooms and also what I do for my regular recordings. So I'm going to show you some of it right here. So I'm set up right here. This is nothing special. I've just got a setup. I've got, as you can see here, this wonderful tripod stand. That thing is awesome. I got it on Amazon, very, very inexpensive. I set it up just like this. A lot of times for my audio, I do have a mic. I've got a boom mic, but more than often, I just simply use my AirPods. I'm not going to open them because they'll take over my screen and all that kind of stuff here. So I'm using my AirPods. You can see I've set up my camera so that I'm grabbing my screen right here from my Chromebook because it doesn't have a screen record. But when I'm using my MacBook Air, I can just do Zoom record by using I screen record by using, what do you call it? It's very simple. QuickTime Video. QuickTime Video allows you to do Zoom record or screen recording. Okay, so you can see I've got a lot of my notes here. You guys have asked a lot of questions. I've got a pile of question requests that thick, over 100 tutorial requests. So I'm just going through them one by one and tossing them there. But let me show you this. For Zoom recordings, like when I'm doing Zoom, I want to have a great lighting solution. I got this off of Amazon, and it's just great. It holds my phone right here, which I'll show you how it works. Let me pop this phone loose right here, and I'll show you. It's real simple. So inside of here, you just put it right here like this, and it really takes it very well. And you put it on your camera, or you put on your Zoom. Just say that's my Zoom, and you've got it going. Now check this out. There's this light here. This light is powerful. Let me show you what it does. So right here you've got this trigger, and it turns it on, and that's like a bright blue light. And then I use this, and it turns into an orange. You see how that changed? And now I've got this rig, and it's set up like this, and this would be the view that's on my face, right? So this phone would be here, and you're seeing me like this. That's what my Zoom does. Isn't that amazing? So it's a neat little setup. What I'll do is I'll put in the comments this right here from Amazon, as well as this tripod, and then a couple other things that'll help you, like my boom mic I use. And that's really all my rig is. It's not a whole lot of stuff. I try to keep it real simple because it doesn't have to be hard to do this stuff. I'm gonna give you a lot more tutorials on how to really brand your site and be an influencer, but that's just the beginning. This is how to do great video for video recording, both for tutorials on vlogs as well as video recording for Zooms. So anyway, hope that helps. Boom. Thanks for asking. Oh yeah, before I get off here, if you've got any other requests, ask here. Put it in the comments and say, hey Nerd Guy, you got this one, or can you do this? Can you do that? And don't forget to subscribe. And if this has helped you, guys, give me some love, okay? We'll see y'all.